Welcome to Solum 2.0 training video number 11. In this video, we're going to learn about the report module. In the reports module, we access it by clicking reports on the main menu of the home screen. Here we see that it includes a list of all the reports that are available to you as a user. Now your list may include more reports than this if there's other reports that you've added to your system. Or you may see fewer reports if you don't have permission to see all of the user or all the reports. These permissions are set in the user settings. For each report, there is a set of criteria in the section over here. Some reports have dates, others have usernames, customer cache trays, and all this criteria that can be selected for that particular report. And so you'll see that different things will be enabled depending on which report you've selected. The upper area has the destination, or in other words, do you want to preview this report? Do you want to print this report? Or do you want to export it to a PDF or a Word format or something like that? Those options are also all available to each report in the Solum PR system. The most common report is the daily total report that you use for each day to summarize all the activities for that day. We notice the daily can be a specific day, or it can be a range of dates. For example, let's go back a few days and see a range for a complete week of activity here. Also, the other criteria for the daily total report is which cache tray do you want to look at. Should we look at a summary of the report for all the cache trays we have? Or do we want to specifically view just one cache tray so that we can do an audit on that cache tray to make sure that everything that went in and out of that tray was correct? Once we've selected the criteria for whichever report we want to look at, then simply click or touch the Generate Report button. Your report is then generated, and if we are set to preview as we were in that case, it comes up on the screen first. From the screen, we do have the option to print it and possibly do other things with it. If we had set our thing to printer, then it wouldn't have gone to the screen, but would simply print it directly to the printer. To export a report, go to the Export, choose which format you want to export it to. It could even be exported to Excel or to a PDF. Then select the location where you want to export it to. Let's export it to our desktop here, and then click the Generate Report button. This will save it on our export or on our desktop as an exported item. So that is the reports module and how you generate a report.